Hi, me people don't know this is your boy Yaadman Etan, and I am here with
Kolinski, the one and the only.
Alright, and right now we're having a very anticipated video. It is time again for Dad Jokes. No, Jamaican Dad Jokes Part 1+1.
But first, why them call it Dad Jokes?
Probably because it's like puns, I guess. I don't know.
But I feel like they might disrespect the fathers because I think they're really funny fathers out there.
So, and I don't know the thing said. This is a try not to laugh. If me make him laugh, me get a point. If him make me laugh, him get a point. But we're doing this with a very interesting twist. Every time somebody laugh, them have to take a shot. With the Wray.
And this is real, it's not water people. As you say, it's safe, so you're not gonna hear the crick. So it's real.
So see
you know what I mean? Y'all heard that?
Jesus Christ, but that's true.
That was pretty strong still, like, I had them. People, remember if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, right?
Yeah,
and if you subscribe to him,
Kolinski.
subscribe to me, isn't it? That's Kolinski with a K, O-L-I-N-S-K-I. Yeah, you only go up on my page and say little cute face, and yeah. I know I'm cocky. I prefer the term full of myself. Full of myself. I'm full of myself, yes. Alright, so we're ready. No, I'm not trusting any of my youth. So you see, why am I looks? Oh no, two cups.
Okay, right,
two cups, sorry. Wait.
Interesting.
So I would have take me from. No, it's alright, we can just get right into it. It's alright, the boy I try to joke me off for the people, but you don't know. I know him have to laugh, guys. Straight face. Don't look at my eye, them eye. Like, what's the difference between oral sex and anal sex?
What?
Oral sex make your day, anal sex make your whole week. You smirk. Wait, can you say if you smirk you don't count?
No, you have to laugh.
No, you laugh, son of mine. You need to drink. Wait, me not need to drink.
You laugh for your own joke, brother.
Wait, all night or just bottoms up, I mean, throw it back. You know what I mean? I'm done.
Now when they put here for your balls, brother.
I don't have here for my balls, so unless they put here somewhere else.
Oh no.
Alright, let's not go there.
Alright,
yeah, so I'm gonna refill again. So I feel time now. I'm afraid already. Yo, man, I tremble, bitch. But I'm poor, bitch. Man, I tremble.
What we do for views.
Yeah. Just all the phone now, so make sure you like and subscribe and comment and all that.
Alright. So why can't paper towels last in Rodney Price's house?
Why?
Because he's a bounty killer.
What do boobs and toys have in common?
What?
They both originally made for kids, but daddies end up only playing with them.
Alright.
I want to delay him still, but I'm gonna move on to the next one.
What did Sean Paul say to JPS?
Just give me the light. Try again. Alright, let's see.
You good?
You okay over there? You sure? You want to swig up this?
I did.
It's like you need the whole bottle. Alright, let's go. What did the hurricane say to the coconut tree?
What?
Hold on to your nuts. This ain't no ordinary blowjob. Yo, not a drunk bitch. You smirk, you know, you smirk. Alright, full already. Watch it in the Etan. Alright. Hold on, bitch, when the heat disappear first. Hold on. Alright. Go on, Joe.
Why did the stadium get hot?
Why?
All the fans left.
I can't see why they left. My turn, it is yes? Alright. What's the difference between your dick and a bonus check?
What?
Someone's always willing to blow your bonus. That's pretty lame. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That one was lame. I'm sorry. I should drink for that one, but no.
Jano, I feel that shit already.
You, I'm only drink 2 times, I already drink once.
I'm a lightweight, you know. You know when last me eat? Jano.
When last I eat?
Last time I had food. Alright.
Some men classify it as food. You know, but let's not. Exactly. You're right. Yeah, man. So 2-2 or 1.1, 1 + 1, 1 + 1. Yo, drink that in everything. And you say put it on your balls. It's my time, right? No, it's your time. Running.
I know you like Shensi, you know.
It's my wife.
Yeah. You know when Shensi was born?
No.
When she threw 6 in loading.
I feel you should drink because you just made a very lame joke with my girl's name. I think you should drink for that. But I have one for you.
Yeah, man.
What's the difference between a pregnant woman and a light bulb?
What?
You can unscrew a light bulb.
Wow, dog. That was messed up.
That was deep.
Like our baby.
You're right. I'm not gonna laugh. You laugh though. You like it laugh? Alright. You never laugh, people. Comment down below.
Yo, why are black people so tall?
Tall?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Because they're Negroes.
That was a good one, but it wasn't that funny. I got one for you though. I took a poop in the elevator.
Yeah.
I'm taking this shit to a whole new level. Cough, but I laughed a while ago. You should have drink because that was an inside laugh.
That was a cough.
Alright. I knew that was funny, people. It's alright.
Yeah, man. So why does Cartel always send a please call me?
I don't know why.
She tell me if I done. I credit alone done.
Even though I got I'm gonna say, you have to drink for that. You have to drink that. You have to drink, Bridget. You have to drink, Bridget. You have to drink.
Ah!
Full up! You see, alkaline jokes don't give,
Shut up.
chuckles.
Osh.
Osh? You need to shush. Drink. Bottoms up. I mean, that's something there. That's something like you are drinking and I drink the bottoms up. Swallow my youth. Feel it go down in your chest. You there, golden boy. Paint a picture of your chest. So what up, I can't laugh otherwise.
Bottoms up, pussy.
Bottoms up, pussy.
Drink.
That sounds like a trombone. You know what a trombone is, people? I can't tell you what a trombone is. Oh, you saw me that again.
Brother.
So you saw it?
Drink no man.
Alright, hold on. It's alright. It's cool. That's my burger. It's my burger. Oh, no, to Marie, yes. Yeah, my time. How did Burger King get Dairy Queen pregnant?
How did Burger King get Dairy Queen pregnant?
He forgot to wrap his wrapper.
Ah.
Sorry, he forgot to wrap his whopper.
Oh.
Can we do a different question? Let's cut off that. Already wrong. My palate them strong, same way that.
Your palate them strong.
Alright, let's go again.
Oh, yeah, dear, so.
Shensi, that won't be on video. So. Drink, Salamani, drink.
That's going to be my teaser.
But I would that in a break. I remember this. I'm image return it. I thought that's my image breaking.
Oh man.
Drink. Shensi, you don't know.
How much am I got?
You got a good amount. What, shots?
Yeah.
You got like, what, 3? No, it's 4.
No,
I think it's like 4.
Oh my god.
You got like 4, man. I mean, 4. Yeah. My time?
You winning, no brother. I done.
Me win.
You
done?
You win your phone. No man, really
You
play
done?
too strong dog, bumbo clot. I
Man,
feel it
you
in my head. Yo, me done dog.
Man done higher.
Yo, pick with them.
So I have one.
Yo, Kolinski win.
As you can see,
Yes, I
have
Yo,
one.
make sure you sign up. Follow that one, yo. Subscribe to him YouTube channel. You don't know.
The link is in the description still. So
Link in the description.
just
thing,
look
isn't it?
down below and click show more. And
Look what?
look down below and show more.
Alright. Keep
Yeah.
with them. I don't know. Some more dad jokes are coming. No.
Yeah.
More dad jokes are forward. You see me?
I rather look below than make a dad come. You know. So just listen what I'm saying. Kolinski out! Big up Yaadman Etan for another segment. Yeah, I'm out.